This is Frankie McDonald, my own team station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Major Snowstorm is headed towards Montreal, Quebec on Sunday, January the 4th, 2015. It's going to bring up to 30 plus centimeters of snow in Montreal, Quebec. Side streets, main streets, and highways will be snow covered. It's going to bring blowing and drifting snow. It's going to bring sideways snow in Montreal, Quebec, and the surrounding areas. And the snowstorm will start on Saturday, January the 3rd, 2015, during nighttime hours. It will continue on to Sunday, January the 4th, 2015, in Montreal, Quebec. It's going to bring a lot of snow, very strong winds. It's going to be blowing and drifting snow. It's going to be reduced visibility. Since a low pressure system is going to intensify, that's going to bring a lot of snow in Montreal, Quebec on Sunday, January the 4th, 2014 as well. Since it's going to be a lot of snow, since a low pressure system is going to head towards Montreal, Quebec, that's going to bring a lot of snow and very strong winds, blowing and drifting snow, whiteout conditions as well in Montreal, Quebec. And temperature is going to stay below freezing in Montreal, Quebec as well. People in Montreal, Quebec, be prepared. Have your winter boots ready. Have your winter jackets ready. Hats and gloves and scarf and ski pants is ready. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Buy cases of Pepsi. Buy cases of Coke. Do your grocery shopping. Don't wait till the last minute. Do it right now. Have your iPads charged, have your iPods charged, have your cell phones charged, have your laptops charged, have your tablets charged, have your 3G and 4G ready. When you drive the car, take your time, drive the car. Slow down so you don't get into car accidents. Cars will get stuck in the snow, especially on freeways of Montreal, Quebec and Sherbrooke Street, Montreal, Quebec. Have your shovels ready. Have your snow scoops ready. Have your snow plows ready. Have your salt trucks ready. And have your snow blowers ready as well. Because it's going to be a lot of snow in Montreal, Quebec on Sunday, January 4th, 2014. If you have anybody living in Montreal, Quebec, be prepared for a major snowstorm on Sunday, January 4th, 2014. Best luck to you. People in Montreal, Quebec, be prepared for a major snowstorm on Sunday. Take care, stay safe. Don't get caught in a major snowstorm. Stay warm, be safe.